Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. So today we will start our practical subject. That is, this is a internal continuous assessment, or this subject having an ICA marks of 25. So this subject, that is only a practical subject. It is nothing but a electrical workshop. Okay. So this subject having an practical 2 hours per week, having an 1 credit, and its examination scheme, that is this subject or this practical subject having an 25 marks, that is internal continuous assessment having an 25 marks, याला 25 मार्क असतील. So in electrical workshop, so there are different practical, or it may be different types of experiment we want to do actual practically. So what is the objective to do that practical is that to develop the practical workshop skill in the student. So first one objective for introducing this electrical workshop in your syllabus is that to develop the practical workshop skill in the student. Okay, so that means how actually workshop we will work in the workshop practically, how the component, or it may be how the different types of switches, or it may be different types of switchgear equipments we want to use. So this can be understood by using this electrical workshop. Then to provide students a widespread knowledge and understanding of the workshop tools and other facilities. Okay, so in the workshop there are different workshop tools. So we are understanding this different workshop tool, and there are different facilities. So this is the main objective of this electrical workshop subject. Then course outcome of this practical subject, that is electrical workshop practical. At the end of this course, student is able to grasp the application of workshop equipment. Okay, so in that workshop there are different equipment. So students are able to grasp the knowledge, or student are able to gain the knowledge of the application of workshop equipment. Workshop मध्ये कोणते कोणते equipment असतील, what are the application of that equipment. Then their wiring accessories, so wiring circuit or different types of accessories. Then printed circuit boards and their importance in the practical field. That's a काय importance असेल. So this will be we will discuss just today. We will discuss only introductory part, and in the next practical, from next practical we will go through the performance of individual practical. Each and every practical we will go for the performance. Okay, now see, this is the course outcome, that is workshop equipment कोणते कोणते आहेत, then how to do the wiring, then wiring accessories, which are the wiring accessories, how it can be mounted on the printed circuit board, and their importance in the practical field. That's a practical field मध्ये importance काय. So these are the course outcome. Now in electrical workshop there are total 11 experiment, or it may be 11 practical are given. So only of this 11 practical we want to perform the 6 of the following experiment. त्याच्यामधले 6 experiment आपल्याला perform करायचे. So it may be there are some of the study experiment or some of the practical experiment. याच्यामध्ये काही study असतील, काही practical असतील. Okay, so see, याच्यामध्ये first one आहे, that is understanding of different types of switches such as SPST, SPDT, DPST, DPDT, TPST, TPDT. Anyone know the long form of this SPST? What is meant by SPST? Hello, anyone? Different types of switches. I think you all are already used in the electrical machine for performing the practical, for connecting the switch. So different types of switches you have used, that is SPST, then SPDT, DPST, DPDT, TPST, TPDT. What is the long form of SPST? Anyone? Hello, long form of SPST. Anyone can know? माहिती आहे कोणाला? Please give me reply. If you don't know, then say don't know. Anyone?
Single pole, single throw.
Single pole, single throw, no? Okay. So see,
Yes.
understand the different types of switches. म्हणजे आपल्याला switch, connecting switch आहे, त्याचं understanding करायचंय. So there are different types of switches दिले. SPST दिलेले आहे. SPST is nothing but single pole, single throw. That means one pole it can be connected when you throw a once. एकदा म्हणजे एकदा कनेक्ट केलं की एकच पोल कनेक्ट होईल. म्हणजे it is used for a single wire. Okay. Suppose you are using a main wire. एकच वायर साठी यूज करत असाल, then this is act as a switch, and when once throw म्हणजे एकदा थ्रो केला की एकच पोल कनेक्ट होईल. So it is nothing but SPST. Then SPDT, it is nothing but single pole double throw. Okay. So single pole double throw, that is SPST is nothing but single pole double throw. So one switch or one pole it can be connected while throwing a twice. Okay. म्हणजे दोन थ्रो असतील आणि एकच पोल कनेक्ट होईल. अगेन डीपीएसटी लॉंग फॉर्म ऑफ डीपीएसटी इज नथिंग बट डबल पोल सिंगल थ्रो. ओके. जर तुम्हाला सिंगल फेज याच्यासाठी यूज करायचं असेल, दॅट इज सिंगल फेज लाईन साठी यूज करायचं असेल, एक फेज आणि एक न्यूट्रल. सो दोन टर्मिनल, दॅट इज टू वायर्स, इट कॅन बी कनेक्टेड व्हाईल यू आर थ्रोईंग अ वन्स. एकदा थ्रो केला किंवा त्याला एक हँडल असेल, तो हँडल आपण थ्रो केला की त्याचे दोन पोल कनेक्ट होतील. सो इट इज नथिंग बट डीपीएसटी. देन डीपीडीटी इज नथिंग बट double pole double throw. Okay. So that means each and every pole having an separate throw, that is separate handle. So if we want to connect two switch, that is two pole, then we require a double throw पाहिजे आपल्याला. Then TPST is nothing but it is used for three phase. It is nothing but triple pole single throw. Suppose I want to connect तिन्ही पोल, म्हणजे तिन्ही फेज मला at a time connect करायचे by a single throwing. So it is nothing but a triple pole single throw. So while single throwing, all the three poles are connected. That is nothing but TPST. Then TPDT is nothing but triple pole double throw. Okay. So that means while connecting all the three pole, we are throwing a twice. That is nothing but TPDT. Okay. So this is one practical. So it is one of the understanding practical, and we are seeing these types of switch, as these switch are available in our electrical machine subject. So that means electrical machine lab, these all switches are available. We will show, I will show this switch to you, and we will understand how it's performed and how it can be connected. Okay. Then similarly, next one practical is that understanding of different types of switchgear. I think switchgear equipment, this subject you have not having, because this subject it is a BTech degree, that means BTech class last year. So understanding of different types of switchgear. So such as equipment MCCB, MCB, ELCB, isolator, and HRC fuse. In that you people generally know the fuse. Fuse माहिती आहे तुम्हाला already. In that HRC fuse, that is high rupturing capacity. Meaning of HRC is nothing but the fuse having an high rupturing capacity, that is HRC fuse. So normally आपण जी काही जनरली आपल्या डोमेस्टिक वायरिंग साठी किंवा आपण इंडक्शन मोटर, आपली जी काही ऍग्रिकल्चर पंपची मोटर आहे त्याच्यासाठी जी फ्यूज यूज करतो, इट इज द कार्ट्रेज फ्यूज. ओके. आय थिंक यू ऑल आर सीन. देन MCCB, that is molded cage circuit breaker. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. ELCB, meaning of this ELCB or long form of ELCB is nothing but earth leakage circuit breaker. Okay. And then isolator. I think you people already know the isolator. Isolator माहिती आहेत का कुणाला? Anyone having seen substation? So in that substation there are isolator, it is used. Okay. So in the substation, first of all, there are wave trapper is there. Then there are isolator, that is lightning arrestor is there. After lightning arrestor, there are isolator is there. After isolator, there are circuit breaker is there. Sorry, before circuit breaker, there are CT and PT are connected, and then after that there are circuit breaker is there. Okay, isolator, it is used to open the circuit. So circuit open करायचं आपल्याला किंवा circuit close करायचं. For that circuit breaker is also used, but isolator it is used for our visualization. म्हणजे ते आपल्याला कनेक्ट आहे किंवा डिस्कनेक्ट आहे हे आपल्याला दिसतं. Okay, so it is called that isolator, and I think you people already know HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity, the fuse having an capacity that is high rupturing capacity, rupturing current, it's arcing current, as well as it's pre-arcing current. Depending upon that, there are rupturing capacity, it can be determined. So HRC fuse is nothing but having an high rupturing capacity fuse. So these are the all are the switchgear equipment. MCCB, that is molded cage circuit breaker, MCB miniature circuit breaker, ELCB earth leakage circuit breaker, and isolate. Then understanding of different types of meter, such as analog meter, clamp meter, then tri-vector meter, power quality analyzer, and RLC meter. I think in that some of the meter you have already studied in the measurement. Measurement मध्ये बघितलेत तुम्ही, analog meter बघितले. Then I think you have seen the clamp meter. Clamp meter पण बघितलेला असेल. Tri-vector meter you have not seen. Then power quality meter, it means to measure the power quality, and then RLC meter. RLC meter, it is also you have used for practical in case of measurement. Then measurement of insulation resistance and earth resistance. For measurement of insulation resistance and earth resistance, which equipment it can be used? Insulation resistance measure करण्यासाठी कोणतं equipment use करतो आपण generally? Megger. So Megger, it is used to measure the insulation resistance, आणि earth tester, it is used to measure the earth resistance. Earth resistance measure करण्यासाठी earth tester use करतो. So this is also one simple practical we want to do. Then next one is nothing but understanding different types of power supply, function generator, DSO, and CRO. So all working principle you people know, but how it can be used, how it will be operated, what are the connection, and how it wiring can be done. So just we want to see in this electrical workshop. See, understanding different types of power supply. Power supply, three-phase power supply, single-phase power supply, DC power supply. Either it may be a regulated power supply or it may be DC regulated power supply. So these are the different types of supply. Then function generator. Function generator, I think in ADIC practical, sorry, in EDC and ADIC practical, okay. In electronic device and circuit and analog, digital, and controls subject, you have already seen the function generator, okay. Then DSO, that is digital storage oscilloscope, you have already studied DSO. Then CRO, okay. So CRO, to study the waveform, or it may be to see the waveform, we use the CRO. Okay, then next one is nothing but study and performing of motor winding. Okay, so study and performing of motor winding, we are not having the that means open motor. So to perform, so we are not doing this practical, but in that the how to do the winding, then how to place the pole, how to place the winding in that slot. So these are the performance related to motor winding. Then installation of plate, pipe, and grid earthing. Okay, so there are different types of earthing. Earthing चे type तुम्हाला माहिती आहे already. Plate earthing कशी केली जाते. Then pipe earthing as well as grid type of earthing. So these are the different types of earthing. Then types of wiring. So this is the very simple experiment, that is types of wiring. I think you have studied in the BEEE, basic electrical and electronics मध्ये तुम्ही बघितलेलं आहे. That is types of wiring. मग त्याच्यामध्ये industrial wiring कशी असेल, domestic type of wiring कसे असेल, then panel wiring कसे असेल, as well as your staircase type of wiring, or it may be go down wiring. Okay, so these are the different types of wiring, how the wiring it can be done. Then PCB design and fabrication. Okay, so printed circuit board design and its fabrication. So this is one of the point, PCB design and fabrication. And then next one, performance practical, is that soldering and desoldering of component on PCB. I think you have done the mini project. केलेत का मिनी प्रोजेक्ट सगळ्यांनी? सेकंड इयरला प्रोजेक्ट केलेत का काही? नो. हॅलो, have anyone done the mini project? So in that used the soldering or it may be desoldering for components. So soldering, that means suppose we want to attach a component to that of PCB, we are using a soldering. And desoldering, it is nothing but removal of this component. The component remove करायचे. कसे? So this is the soldering and desoldering practical. And last one is nothing but troubleshooting in the electronic circuit. Okay, troubleshooting in the electronic circuitry. Electronic circuitry madla troubleshooting. So how the trouble it can be trouble it can be minimized, or it may be trouble it can be covered. So this is the last one practical, is nothing but troubleshooting in the electronics circuit. Okay, so these are the experimental list. In that experimental list where we have performed only 6, that is, I will show the lab manual, just 1 minute. So we will performing only 6 of them. Either it may be online or it may be offline. So if equipment, otherwise I will record this and send that link to you. Okay, so see in that, just 1 minute. Okay, so in that we will perform the different types of switches, SPST, SPDT, DPST, DPDT. Okay, then understanding different types of switchgear equipment like MCB, MCCB, ELCB, isolator, and HRCP. Then understanding different types of meter, such as analog meter, clamp meter. Clamp meter, it is used to measure the live current, measure the current in the wire, as well as measure the power in the circuit. So it is used to clamp meter. म्हणजे clamp meter कसा यूज करायचा? जनरली आपली जर मशीन ऑन असेल किंवा आपली मोटर आहे, मोटरचा करंट मेजर करायचा आपल्याला, तर डायरेक्टली व्हेन मोटर इट इज इन ऑन कंडिशन, वी कॅन जस्ट क्लॅम्प ऑन दॅट वायर. त्या वायर वरती आपण क्लॅम्प करतो, म्हणजे वायर वरती मीटर फक्त क्लॅम्प करणार आणि त्याच्यावरून तो मीटर करंट दाखवेल. सो इट इज नथिंग बट क्लॅम्प मीटर. ओके, power quality analyzer to analyze the power quality of power quality. Then RLC meter to measure resistance, inductance, and capacity. Then understanding different types of power supply. So this is also we will do the practical, understand the power supply, function generator, DSO, and CRO. Then types of wiring, that is domestic as well as panel wiring. And then soldering and desoldering. Okay, soldering and desoldering. So this is also we will do this practical, how to do soldering, how to do the desoldering, or how to connect the equipment by soldering in the PCB, and how to desolder the equipment from the PCB. Okay, so we will perform this practical. So this is the introductory part, that is what is in this electrical subject. So what is the outcome of this electrical subject, and what are the different types of experiment which are carried on this electrical workshop. Okay, so from next lecture we will start one by one practical, performance of one by one practical. So hence today we will conclude this only introductory part and we will stop here. Okay, so just 1 minute, I want to take attendance, so all of you stay in here, just 1 minute.